Hey guys, today we talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your InDrive app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. Then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here. You go down. So you keep going down here. Then you're looking for InDrive app. So you just click here on InDrive. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage. You come to storage list. You just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, you just go to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store here, and you're looking for InDrive app. It's going to show for you like this. You just click here on update. So then it's going to add, or it's going to work with you on your InDrive app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.